Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about analyzing the problem and finding a solution to it. Many problems have a wide range of alternatives to be dealt with. The important aspect here is to find the most sustainable solution in order to eliminate further discomfort. Identifying the problem and its causes is crucial, but more important is the impact of the solution. Each alternative has different outcomes in regard of social, economical and environmental aspects. Such choices has their reflection on the long run. That's why focusing on sustainable solution is the right decision. Last but not least is the phase of monitoring and adaptability if needed. Analyze the solution itself. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.